Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. And मानता तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसतली साऊद आनी भलायकीन. So today what you can see is brinjal. So another recipe of brinjal, but in green like green masala. So what you need, this is 1 kg of brinjal, which is 60 rupees. I got in Mapsa. There I've chosen them, the small ones. Wash it nicely, and then you have to slit it. One tomato, 1 onion, then dried 1 tablespoon of dry coconut, khobre in Konkani we say. Then this is 1 half cup of peanut we have to roast. Black sesame seeds we have to roast, that is 1 tablespoon. Then these are few green chilies, so if you want me to count, 10 green chilies. Then we need hing, and we need, for our green masala, 1 pod of garlic, and I have used the roots of our coriander. So when you get coriander bunch, all the roots and little bit of coriander leaves, so I've taken that only, all roots, and we have to grind this to a fine paste. Hing, little bit of turmeric powder and little bit of coriander powder will also go into this. Now this we have to roast, okay? So this khobre is already roasted. This we have to roast. Grinding one is coriander and chilies and garlic we have to grind to a fine paste. Finely chopped tomato and finely chopped onion, and this is how you have to do is slit this. So just take this, slit in between, and then one more slit over here. That's it. So do this for all the brinjals, no stuffing, only slit and keep, so the masala goes nicely inside this, okay? So let's add salt to this and turmeric powder and keep aside, okay? And turmeric powder. Till then we will fry our onion and tomatoes and keep. Let's add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Normal vegetable oil. You need it so we can fry it nicely, our brinjal. Now to this we will add our curry leaves, which is very, very important. So it gives extra flavor. Our hing, that is esofeda, a pinch of hing, that is 1/4 teaspoon, and then we will add our 2 teaspoon of mustard, that is rye seeds, and 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once this gets, we'll add our onion and fry it nicely. Now we'll add our tomato to this. High flame. We'll add our coriander powder and turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. And to this we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. The tomatoes are nicely soft. At this point we will add our brinjal and let it fry with this. So I've fried this. Now we will cover, we add little bit of water. Okay, 1 cup of water, and we'll cover and we'll cook this. Till then we will do our next thing, that is grinding the masala in it. Like 1 cup of water. Let's cover this and cook on low flame. So these are roasted. Now we'll grind it to a coarse powder. Now we'll add our copra to this. Mix this. That is roasted coconut. And we will add this to our brinjal. So we will add this later when the brinjals are cooked. Now we will grind our green masala. So I am grinding this to my same mixer, and I will grind it little because I don't want to take another mixer to grind all. Save water, save washing vessels, very important in cooking. So I will take little, add water and cook and grind this. Okay. So this is my green masala is ready. So माझो यो green masala ready झालो. आता यो पहिला मी घाली आमच्या वांयगान. आनी मागीर आमी बिंगटां जी आमी वांटून दवरला ती पण घालया. So after 10 minutes टमाटो मसाला घालया. Water we will add accordingly and mix this. And now we will add our peanuts, coconut and sesame. Mix this on nicely. We'll cover and cook this till our brinjals cook nicely. So check your salt. We had also applied this for our brinjal salt. I'm adding 1 cup of water which is there for the mixer, that same thing. 1 cup उदक घालया आनी एका आतां आमी चॅक करुया आमकां मीठ घालूंक जाल्यार घालून घेवया. कवर करून लो फ्लेमीचेर शिजोवन घेवया. So we will cover and cook this till our brinjals are cooked nicely. It's so tasty. We'll add little bit of salt. It is very, 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 very tasty. Cover and cook. Low flame. And here is our brinjal ready and nicely cooked. So it took 20 minutes on a low flame, and in between you have to turn this brinjals. Okay, so it cooks all the side. So it's done now. It's cooked nicely. Soft, and all the masalas are gone inside the brinjal. Okay, so hope you all will enjoy this brinjal. Goan Brinjal in green masala. Try this. So hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe and make it, and brinjals are very cheap and yummy and delicious. Once it is cooked with all this masala inside, it's done. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी हें करून खायात अशे भाशेन आमची वांयग्यो ज्यो फकत 60 रुपयान केजीन मेवता आनी इतले डिश जाता. सो करात आनी खायात आनी म्हाका सांगात मागीर कशें जालें पळय तें. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. सो लेट्स सर्व दिस नाव. So yummy and delicious are bangan, fully masala inside. Then garnish it with आमचे खोबरे. मानता तुमकां हे आवडटले आनी तुमी अहेंच करून खातले आनी एन्जॉय करात. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. रेडी टू ईट. Enjoy. Goan Brinjal. Try this recipe and enjoy. Yummy and delicious. आमची गोंयची वांयग्याची भाजी जी जावन आसा टेस्टी स्वादीक. ट्राय करात आनी खायात. देव बरें करूं.